You've zoomed in, haven't you? The videography is super. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Additti and I am the first year accounting and finance student. Today's video is going to be a bit different to usual. Today I'm going to be doing 24 hours in the library with my friend. So I have the library behind me there. I'm just waiting for him to come. I bought a few snacks for the afternoon. He is late, which is annoying, but you know. His name's Will. You'll see him in the video, but yeah, I hate filming in public though, so right now I'm just like, We're gonna make note of the time just before we go in so that we make sure we do like 24 hours in the dot, but yeah.
Hey, I'm Will and this is us walking into the library.
At LSE you have to show your COVID test. Well, then you did, now you don't. This is us walking to the booth. We sat in a different booth initially, but then we moved because the other booth wasn't comfortable. So here's the walk. Yeah, so then we sat down and I started doing stats. I had no idea what I was doing for stats at that time. I was just doing it. You were just on your phone?
Yeah. Then I started working.
What work were you doing?
I think I was catching up on a lecture.
IR?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, say what course you do.
So I study international relations and Chinese.
And I do accounting and finance. What was this?
That was me hiding my phone so I didn't go on it.
Oh yeah, we bought snacks as well. I bought the snacks, actually. I got banana... No, wait, you got banana chips.
Yeah.
I got peanuts, popcorn, stuff like that. You're breathing.
I look like I'm being pumped. Like a balloon.
I'm wearing that top right now. The same top.
Are you going to put that in video?
Yeah, might as well. Oh, that's you saying,
Hi
are you
to
gonna...
YouTube.
No, you were saying, oh, are you gonna voice over this in the future? And then you were like, hi, future Additti.
It looks like I'm so focused on work, but I got nothing done.
What music were you listening to?
I'm not. I'm watching the lecture.
Oh.
It looks like I'm like really mad at someone.
Your face, did you see that?
Yeah, I probably didn't understand something that was going on.
I was yawning so much. It was stats, so it makes sense. Oh, my cracked laptop case. Don't you make notes while you watch your lectures?
Yeah, I do it on my laptop.
Oh, okay. You don't have that pop socket on your phone anymore?
No, I got rid of it.
Why?
It was annoying.
I remember when you got it, you were like, oh my god, look at my new pop socket.
It was fun for 3 months. Notice how you're taking up most of the table.
Well, it's my video, not yours.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah.
It's so easy.
But isn't it just a day and sleep again? It's not that deep.
Unless you stay up. Then it's scary.
Look at that posture.
Who?
You!
It's so comfortable like that.
Oh yeah, so I was saying here, the peanuts are filled to the absolute brim. That was good.
I have a feeling I wasn't doing work at this point.
No, I remember you were looking at YouTube at this point. You were watching YouTube.
Oh, for the tips, the McKinsey assessment.
What was the McKinsey assessment for?
For the Discover program, I think.
Oh yeah, we did this, what, week 6? Reading week. At the end of reading week in Lent. So it's like halfway through the second term of the year. So showing you something. I don't remember what I was showing you. I didn't notice this packet of quavers for so long.
It's very aptly placed. This is when I realised that they had like the tower defense game on McKinsey.
Oh wait, the plants or the terrain, no wait, the terrain or the animals thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that.
It was confusing. It was horribly done.
What is that orange thing in the front? Because I couldn't tell.
Not a clue. What is that? You should have had like a timer.
A timer, like for what?
What time of the day it was.
Like a clock?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have been good. Are you taking a picture there? Because I think I remember you taking that picture.
I don't think I was. I think I was trying to find something about the McKinsey assessment on my phone before doing it.
Alright. Where on your phone?
Someone sent a message to a WhatsApp group about it.
Oh. Alright. I think this is why I was saying, like, people had gotten loads of offers. Like, I know someone with, like, 8 offers. Things like that.
For spring week.
Oh, yeah, for spring weeks, I never said that. You seem unbothered with what I'm saying. Again, that's actually so rude.
It's just how I am. That's just my face.
Maybe you need to up your listening skills. You know, in primary school, we got, I think BT, they came to us and they were like, oh, this is how you properly listen in conversations. This is how you have, like, good listening etiquette and stuff. You should have had them.
Not of any use to me.
But look at you. I'm speaking to you and look at you.
I'm looking at you. Why is it so slow? What happened to the time lapse?
Oh yeah, I forgot. This is you talking about wireless.
Was it?
Wasn't that like someone you wanted to see?
Nicki Minaj, obviously.
Was she on the Saturday or the Sunday? Wait, I don't know the dates of wireless. Isn't it like mid-July or something?
Yeah.
11th July?
I thought it was...
I don't know.
I didn't get tickets in the end.
Why not? You should have gone.
I just didn't want to see everyone else.
Did you like 24 hours in the library? I never actually asked you.
No.
You didn't like it?
No, it was so much harder than I thought. You can't sleep at night. It's so bright.
You decided not to sleep.
Because I couldn't. It was too bright.
Oh yeah, we waited for the lights to turn off. At one point they turned off.
They turned off while you were asleep, but then you moved in your sleep and it turned back on again.
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, I think after wireless we ended up talking about like other people going on tours. So I think BTS was one of them.
They're going on tour?
No, like possibly going on tour.
Oh.
Like my sister's really like excited for them to come. She's just hoping it's on a date that we can make it.
Do you know what time this was?
You were saying like earlier, 2 hours in. And we came in at what, 10:22? So like 12:30. What did we have for lunch? Oh yeah, I had my wrap. What did you have?
I can't remember. I think I had a meal deal. That's why the quavers
you
were
did.
sitting.
Yeah, you did. Oh yeah, because you had lunch earlier, I remember that. I think you had it at like 11. I was like, why are you eating now?
Yeah, because I wanted to do the assessment at 12, but it wouldn't let me.
Why not?
I don't know. Look who's unbothered now.
With what? Conversation or work?
No, conversation.
Maybe you were just annoying me. Oh yeah, this was me going to the toilet, because on the ground floor, if you want to go to the toilet, you have to like touch your, what's it called? ID card, yeah, in and out. So I just went upstairs. Also, that TV thing. Have you ever seen that TV before?
Where?
Up there. Did you not just see it?
Oh yeah. I've not noticed it.
I've never noticed it before. I only realised when I was editing this video. This is my great videography skills. This is me coming back, showing you the stairs. This is the first floor. You know, I was thinking about it. It's so good that we didn't do this during exam season.
Are we not going to mention you taking the lift up one floor?
I had to, you know, get a good shot. Yeah, but these stairs are also weird. Oh yeah, there's LSE Live. They do like help and support stuff at LSE, and they give you free lollipops. I think there's 3 flavours.
Lemon, lime.
And then there's a red one. No, not lemon. There's apple, lime. Apple, like lemon. And then the red one. Walking back to the booth.
I think it was quite empty because it was a Sunday, wasn't it?
Sunday. Saturday to Sunday. Because it was 24 hours.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I told him to look nice because I was going to film. But then he ended up looking so unnatural. This is me doing stats. Mean squared error. Let's go.
Me taking a nap.
And what's that on your face?
It looks like underwear.
What's his mask? Here's more footage of me just doing stats while Will was having a nap. I took a nap pretty much straight after this. I think I was just doing my lectures and getting notes down. I think I did the problem set afterwards too. Oh yeah, this is when we ordered food. What did we order? Chipotle.
Yeah, Chipotle. I'm surprised you got it in.
Oh yeah, because you had the whole plan of getting it in a tote bag and then like sneaking it in. But I just went in.
I think library staff care more than the security.
You know, when I went during like exam season, at lunch, people would be like, oh, why are you eating in the library? Like the library staff.
Yeah.
Have you ever used those computers before?
No.
Yeah, neither have I.
I thought we're not allowed to use them.
Oh, I don't know. Isn't it like reserved for something?
Yeah, but I don't know what those letters stand for.
It was like IP something. Oh yeah.
Someone should comment what it means.
Then as we were eating our food, he got a burrito bowl, I got a burrito, like a proper like veggie burrito. We started watching Encanto. We watched it for like 20 minutes or so. We couldn't be asked to watch it after that. And yeah, he just really likes the song We Don't Talk About Bruno. I think like most people do, but I remember I think after my econ exam in January, we FaceTimed, and then like pretty much the whole call he was just singing that, and I was just sitting there in silence, kind of just trying to process what happened in my exam. So yeah, that's an insight into our friendship. And then after that, I think we just went on our phones for a bit and like listened to music, like really just chilled. And then I went to the toilet like at the end to just wash my face and stuff, which is what you're about to see now. Okay, so I'm walking towards the toilet now. I'm about to wash my face. It's like 2 a.m. And yeah, I'm currently just filming in the toilet. And yeah, I think we've been here for 16 hours now, so pretty good. But we've still got to sleep, and yeah, we entered at 10:22, so we are gonna be going at 10:22 as well. I mean, it's been a bit tiring. I would say if you want to do 24 hours in the library, don't plan to do a load of work. Like I've done a bit of work, definitely. I've watched some lectures and I've done a problem set for my stats, which is due tomorrow, which is today. But yeah, like don't plan to do so much, because otherwise you're gonna get yourself burnt out and then it just won't be fun. And make sure you're doing it with someone who is like enjoyable to do it with. I feel so disheveled right now, like my makeup has completely come off. I'm gonna wash my face anyway, so it's okay. But yeah, I was kind of just curled up in the blanket. I'm obviously not gonna film us sleeping, that's weird. I will update you in the morning. Good night. Okay, so it's like 7 a.m-ish. I've just gone to the toilet, I've just brushed my teeth, washed my face, all of that. I need to go downstairs, put some cream on my face. I slept okay-ish. Will has just slept, which isn't great. I kept telling him to sleep, but he didn't go to sleep, and now he's sleeping. So I'm gonna head back downstairs, and yeah, we've still got a few more hours until 10:22, so like I'll have breakfast, have a protein bar, and just chill, to be honest. Maybe sleep a bit more. I probably will sleep a bit more. But people are going to be starting to arrive. I feel like the last 12 hours, the first 12 hours was okay, like it just felt like a normal day. But the last 12 hours, that was more difficult. I mean, we haven't completed those 12 hours yet, but I feel like it's been a bit more, it's been harder, like with not being able to sleep at times and like all of that. But that is what is happening. I just slept in the same clothes. They're kind of comfortable, like they're comfortable jeans as well, so it was alright. I'm gonna head back downstairs now. The time is probably around 7:15 now. And yeah, I don't really feel much in the morning because we kind of just like slept in the morning until like we had to leave. Like I went to the toilet and stuff, so did he, but like there wasn't like much happening, so there wasn't that much to film either. But yeah, we got to the end of the 24 hours, and here's the little clip from the end. We have done the 24 hours. I'm just trying to like pack up the last few bits, snacks that we just never ate but I bought, making sure I've got all like my chargers and everything, yeah, ID, pencil case, everything, just making sure I've packed up everything because my stuff was literally all over the place. I'm also trying not to leave the place in a massive mess because we did make a bit of a mess, I can't lie, with the food. But I think it was really nice. Yeah, I'm happy with how that went. We've been wanting to do it for like 5 weeks, so like it is really nice that we've just been able to actually do it now. Like, because one time he went home, one time like he was sick, so like we just kept on having to postpone doing this plan. So yeah, I'm glad that we've done it now. It was also nice to do it at the end of reading week because like it's just a nice end to the holidays. Although it wasn't complete holidays for me because I had like a few classes and everything. Oh my god, I'm trying to fit my cushion into my bag and I just can't. But yeah, I think we timed it well. I am now all packed up, so I will be heading off. The video is a bit different than usual, but if you liked it, then please comment, subscribe, like the video, and also hit the bell icon to not miss any of my other videos. I will now be going outside. People texted me saying the air outside is beautiful, so I really want to experience that. So I am gonna be off. I will see you in another video. Bye.